What's up, YouTube? This your boy Big Skip coming with another video. So, been having a lot of rain, been having the virus going around. Um, a lot of stuff been going on. So I just wanted to encourage you guys to keep your head up, keep prayed up. God got all this, so we have to believe and have faith that everything's gonna be all right. One thing about it, we can't let it get us down, can't be scared. Gotta keep the faith and enjoy your life. Just do everything you need to do to stay clear of that virus. So a couple weeks off, so I got time to make videos now. So this video here is rain, the water came up. It's hard to catch these crappie when they playing with the water like they playing with it, but some days you can get lucky, and it's one of the days I got lucky. So y'all just sit back, relax, subscribe, hit that bell button so you can get all my videos straight to you. The jigs I'm using is like a monkey milk with a chartreuse tail. Just having fun, shooting docks, pitching docks, whatever. So I hope y'all enjoy it. On this video, I watched a couple of guys. They was on this dock before me, and they was shooting it from the front. Most boaters come through, they shoot the front, try to get some fish. They don't, they gone. Me, I'm in a small boat, so I can only go so far, so I have to stay. If I feel like it's fish somewhere under that dock, I have to find them. So I made a circle around the dock, and I found fish. Okay, and this is where patience pay off, people. So just have patience, keep pitching, keep switching colors till you find the color that they want. Just do different things to find the fish. All I can say, I'm trying to help you. That's all. Hope y'all enjoy the video.
Our first fish of the day. Camera was late coming on because it's my first fish of the day. Keeper. Ooh, boy, this is nice. They wanna fight. They wanna fight today. They wanna fight, but they hungry. They hungry. Ooh. Sucker just Tried to take it out of my hand. Yeah, little doggy. Number 2. Come on back over here. Fighting today. Them boys fighting today. Look at them. Boys fighting today. Get back over here. Keeper. Farther than I can shoot it. This little boat allows me to do that. Oh, got Big Daddy on. Didn't even know it. I need the net for this boy. Oh, God. Somebody look at here. Somebody look at here. Somebody look at here. Look at this right here. Toad. Look at this house here, boy. I can tell when they big. Sorry, bruh. These jokers running today. Look at this joker. Here. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at this slab door here. Swallowed it. Look at that. Y'all see this joker right here?